Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to apply for Discover student cashback. So first, you're gonna be, of course, a college student with a valid ID and no credit history or limited credit profile. So make sure to meet the requirements. After that, provide the information like name, address, date of birth, social security number, income. Even if you don't have a job, you can still apply. Student ID number. You're gonna apply online by going to the website of Discover, and you're gonna select three cards and then student cashback. After that, like that, you're gonna click apply now, and that is it. So yeah, you're gonna fill the required information. After that, you're gonna activate bonus categories to earn 5%. You will need to activate them each quarter. You can do this through Discover mobile app or online management. After that, you're gonna monitor and manage your account. Use Discover app to track your rewards, pay your bills, etc. So you can take advantages of the benefits like these. Also, you need to pay your balance to avoid interest charges and build credit responsibility. So that is it.